This video was directly inspired by Granddad is an Old Man. He likes to make these rubber band powered cars, and I figured I'd give my hand I'd give it a shot. I would try it myself, and I should have paid more attention, because what he was telling me in previous comments discussions, I listened to, but at the same time I completely underestimated the amount of wheel spin that this thing might have. And yeah, it's got a lot of wheel spin. Just a little tiny rubber band powering it too. Look at that guy. I mean, it is a lightweight car. A really tiny rubber band. And then I thought I would wrap it around the front axle with a pulley. And then I got my rear hub, which is a little bit larger than it probably ought to be. And then I got the bigger wheels on the back with a rubber band glued to them. And that wasn't enough, not nearly. So I was like, let's add some weight. So I glued a 1/2-inch bolt to the base. And I still didn't do it. So I was like, let's add some length to it. So I added this. And that still didn't do it. But what I have here is a wheel spin machine, apparently. So if y'all want to see it spin wheels, it's not very entertaining. Doesn't go very far. Just sits there and spins. Wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. I'm just going to give you all maximum wheel spin. Screw it. That's what it does. It wheel spins. Maybe if I put it on carpet. Alright, let's do it here, and then I'll take it and put it on carpet. I haven't tried it on carpet yet. It might actually go somewhere, maybe. Better traction. Alright. Oh, no. Oh, no. It just spun the hub. I knew I should have glued that thing on there. Hey. Well, maybe I won't be able to get to show y'all anything. I don't know. Let's try to wind it up. I won't wind it up as far this time. Yeah, it done spun. It spun free of this wheel, actually. This wheel is still attached. So, the hub is just press fitted. I thought maybe that's why or the pulley. I thought maybe that's why it didn't. Alright, well, enough talking. Let's see it spin wheel. Nothing. Alright, maybe on the carpet. Let's try that. Hey. What a failure. Alright. Alright, so this wheel is actually disconnected. I need to glue it back on, but the left wheel is still attached. Let's not get too carried away, or otherwise it might disattach like the right wheel has. Well, anyways, that's attempt number 1. I don't think there's much hope for this car in particular. So yeah, seriously underestimated how hard these things are to be. Hard to build and hard to get going good. Granddad is an old man. He seems to have gotten it down pretty good. I had to try. I just had to try. Anyways, there it is. I don't know if I'll do much more to it. Such a disappointment.